So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a caption to a table here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is for this example, I'm just going to add a new blank slide and then go to the top here and add a table to my presentation. So once the table is added, it's pretty straightforward. I will just select this table for demonstration purposes. Now, if you want to add a caption to this, it's super simple. Press on the table right here to open up this bar on the right, and where it says table options right here, make sure that caption is checked just like that. And you, of course, can edit the caption. So this is my table caption, just like that. Now it's going to be there. If you obviously uncheck it, it'll disappear, but if you recheck it again, it'll stay the exact same. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add a caption to a table here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.